Hello, good morning. Guess what? There's a little glitch happening and I'm going to get on it. But as usual, I'm going to start the morning off with gratitude. I'll get back into the problem and just do a little bit of talking. So, gratitude. I am grateful because yesterday I got a chance to drop my son off in Boston. He's moved to Boston to start a new endeavor for himself. And I was just kind of struck by how smoothly and easily the ride went. Has a nice little place in Boston, and just really grateful for the opportunities that this world and this life brings to my kids. Here's the problem that I'm having right now. My Facebook Live videos that I shot on Friday, and I shot one earlier today as a test, and now I'm doing this one. They're not playing sound on my iPhone. When I watch them on my computer, they have sound. iPhone, no sound. And I got some messages from some listeners that they were not getting sound on some of the Facebook videos either. And videos that were shot prior to Friday, I am able to listen to on the iPhone. So 2 videos and maybe this one. No sound on iPhone. Other videos, sound on iPhone. And if I listen on my computer, sound's being recorded, just not being played back on the iPhone. Head scratcher. Looked it up real quick because it was late when I got here. And here's the thing. Facebook has a phone number, they have tech support, and I'll be on it today to see what I can do, because that's today's topic. It's cooperation, working together. And, it reminds me of how a big city works. There's so much cooperation that's required to have things delivered, things taken away, infrastructure. And from my reading of the book Sapiens, that was one of the big advantages that Homo sapiens developed that allowed it to take over the world, really, right? We were sort of like an invasive species. It's this ability to cooperate. So, I got feedback from listeners, sound not working, did a little testing, sound not working. Now I'm going to go see if I can get some cooperation from Facebook to make sound work. I'll leave a little message on the comments to let people know that I'm working on this. But thank you so much, as always, for your time and your attention. As always, your most important resources. Like and share. If you can hear me, take it easy.